Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open the settings application, and then we should scroll to the advanced features, then scroll a little bit down to screenshots and screen recorder, and then you'll see here the sound section. Now just we have selected the mute video. If you want to use the media on your device, the ringtones, any sounds from any apps or just notifications, you can use the media. Also, if you want to comment something, you can use the media and microphone here. Also, we can activate the screen recorder settings by the second way. First, we should open notification panel shortcuts, and after that we should find somewhere here the screen recorder icon. We should hold for a while this icon after that, and now we can see here the same sound settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.